Nothing she's probably going to be excited about. But
She's not one of those kids that destroy things. She just kind of does it slowly.
what are you done?
Hey, anybody want a beer? This might take a little while. Beer? 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 Eden? You want to get a beer?
I would love a beer. I think the baby wants one.
Oh, the ball!
Oh, good job, Zach. Thanks for helping her. Open it up for her.
I think I taped it because I'm a mom and that's what I do.
Albie, do you want to help her open gifts?
He's too busy playing. Oh, you're it.
I got Sit here and help her open gifts.
Look, I got you.
Albie, you can help her. Oh, how beautiful.
There's a tank top and another tank top.
Wait till do
And some shorts that match all two tank tops.
Oh my goodness.
So you can look
Auntie, oh my goodness. Thank you, Jonas and Zach. Yay.
All right.
Caitlin.
One more present out of the way.
Here you go.
You like it? It's pretty.
You can throw all the wrapping paper in that corner. I'll pick it up later with the trash bag. Here you go, Boo Boo. Open your next one. This is from Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Daddy. We're opening up the special one. Ooh. A book. What else? Oh, a Dora cup.
Oh, this is awesome. Baseball.
That's from Daddy to Caitlin especially.
Look at that way she can play with it. It's hers, not yours. Give it to her. Wow. We'll have to go over there and get it. Zach finally came over. Zach, he's gonna get it. Zach's getting it. Look, he's going. Look.
That's so cool, Caitlin.
I think you're crazy.
Is that it?
No.
There.
Who's your daddy?
Look. Thank you, Zach. Look.
Probably just leave the leave them the rest in there. So you can get the rest in there.
Look, Adora, you want to put it on?
Yes, nicely made sure.
You want to bring Adora ring?
Yay!